This is where the camshaft position sensor is located. 2008 Chevy Malibu, most the same models. It should be in the same position. Because this is a 3.5 liter, and then you're gonna have your engine cap. That has to come up, and then you take it off and make sure to put that back on. And then if you're looking at your vehicle, that's what like this engine's looking like on top. It's gonna be on the passenger side, and then you're gonna come in on top of like your belt here, and it's gonna be right down in there. It's got the 3 wires. You're gonna have to unclip it, and then you got your 10mm bolt that's holding it in, and then it should pop right out. Be careful with the clip taking it out, but that's where it is on this engine here. You can see I got a little oil in there, but it's gonna go, the wire harness goes up into that loom. But if you don't have the pump here, it's a lot easier to get to with the electric one.